In today's video, I will show you how to block memories from specific days in Google Photos. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Photos Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Preferences and then click on Memories. Inside this menu, you will find several ways to customize what appears in your highlights. Click on Hide Dates. To exclude a specific time frame, tap Add Dates and choose the start and end date for the period you want to block. Once you've selected the range, click Save. From now on, Google Photos will no longer show you any memories or featured highlights from those specific dates in 2026. This is a great way to filter out certain time periods while still keeping the rest of your carousel active. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same menu and remove the hidden dates. And that's it. That's how you block memories from specific days in Google Photos. Thank you for watching.